Yeah, I'm losing my edge. I'm losing my edge. The kids are coming up from behind. But I was there. I was there in 1968. I was there at the first Cannes show in Cologne. I'm losing my edge. I'm losing my edge. To the kids whose footsteps I hear when they get on the decks. I'm losing my edge. To the internet seekers who can tell me every member of every good group from 1962 to 1978. Although I'm losing my edge, I'm losing all the kids to the Tokyo, Brooklynites, and Berlin, and little jackets, and borrowed nostalgia for the unremembered 80s. Well, I'm losing my edge. I'm losing my edge. But I was there. I was there. 'Cause I was there. I'm losing my edge. I'm losing my edge. I can hear the footsteps every night on the decks. But I was there. I was there in 1974. The first suicide practices in a loft in New York City. I was working on the organ sounds with much patience. I was there. Captain Beefheart started up his first band. I told him, don't do it that way. You'll never make a dime. I was there. I was the first guy playing Daft Punk to the Rock Kids. I played it at CBGB. Everybody thought it was crazy. We all know. I was there. I was there. I've never been wrong. I used to work in the record store. Had everything before anything. I was there in the Paradise Garage DJ booth with Larry Levan. I was there in Jamaica during the great sound clashes. I woke up naked on the beach in Ibiza in 1988. But I'm losing my edge to better looking people with better ideas and more talent, and who are actually really nice. I'm losing my edge. I heard you have a compilation of every good song ever done by anybody. Every great song by the Beach Boys, all the underground hits, all the Modern Lovers tracks. I heard you have a vinyl of every Niagara record on German imports. I heard that you have a white label of every seminal Detroit techno hit, 1985, 86, 87. I heard that you have a CD compilation of every good 60s cut and another box set from the 70s. I hear you're buying a synthesizer and an arpeggiator and throwing your computer out the window because you want to make something real sold you guitars and bought turntables. I hear that you and your band have sold you turntables and bought guitars. I hear everybody that you know is more relevant than everybody that I know. This heat, there in the room, outsiders! Nation of Ulysses, Mars, Thornton, the Black Dice, the Todd Terry, the Germ, Section 25, up here, Donna, Section of Rockside, Perry Remote, the Ashby, Bill, Funny All-Stars, the Barcades, the Human League, the Normal, Lou Reed, Scott Walker, Monks, Niagara, Joy Division, Lion 38, Royal Creation, NCC, Eric B. and Rocky, Index, Basic Channel, Soul Sonic Force, Just Hit Me, Juan Atkins, Van Rowe, Gotcha, David Axelrod, Electric Prunes, Gil, Scott, Heron, The Slits, Spouse, Mantronics, Arrow Sanders, and the Fire Engines, the Swans, the